Okay, now we have the second question. As we have mentioned the earlier question, that is income statement related question. Today we're going to also discuss about the question related to balance sheet. From the following information, it is written here. From the following information, prepare balance sheet ABC Limited. So here we have the balance sheet, particulars amount, two column we have mentioned. So some are assets, some are liabilities. Bills payable is there, rent outstanding is there, cash is there, creditors is there, bad debits are there, closing stock is mentioned also here, and down debitors is mentioned here. Car is amount mentioned is there. In left side we have the depreciation on furniture, capital, bill receivable, drawings, furniture, depreciation on car, net profit. So here we have this is the balance sheet statement as per the question is saying that some are assets, some are liability. So we have to identify our assets, what are come in current assets, what are come in current assets, what are come in fixed assets, what are other incomes are there. So we have to mention accordingly, prepare our balance sheet. So now moving to further balance sheet for Miss ABC Hotel for the year ending as on dated. So I just mentioned had top heading here. So I just mentioned the prepare the column. That is, I just prepare this column could be called as a particulars column, rupees amount, rupees price, yeah, paisa. P is called a paisa or decimal amount. If it is there, then you can write it here. So first heading I just mentioned here, it was current assets. So here what are the current assets? Current assets are those assets which are come in our, which I mentioned in my previous classes, which are those assets which are handy. We have to be very much sure about we are receiving that those assets in a within the 1 year period of time. So cash at hand, we have the 2000 amount, which we can take easily from this question. That is cash mentioned here. So cash at hand 2000. Bill receivable 16,000. Again, you can see in opposite sides of question, bill receivable 16,000. Next is closing stock is also mentioned in assets. So why is that closing stock? I just go with this. That is closing stock 51,700. So same I amount taken here. Closing stock 51,700. Next is debitors 28,200. What is debitors? Debitors are those persons in which we have to be we have given some money to them. Now we have collect that money from them. That is known as debtors. So debtors are 28,200. So all these come in this. Now we have here also called as some new term we have bad debits. What are these bad debits? Bad debits are those assets which are unforgettable assets which are due within the one period of time, but due to a shortened period of time, we generally these assets are called as a current assets only because we have to less these assets from our total current assets. Why? The reason behind that this amount is not receivable, so it will be considered as our asset in a long term basis. So 2000, 16,000, 51,700, 28,200, and I also we mentioned 1100. It is also mentioned in question 1100, that is bad debits. So 1100 is there. So how we calculate this? 2000 plus 16,000, 54,700 plus 28,000 less bad debits gives you the figure like this, that is 96,800. You can calculate also from your end also. Moving to further, uh, next heading I mentioned fixed assets. Fixed assets, what are those fixed assets? The assets which we have purchased fixed period of time and that cannot be changed for further. So if we purchase furniture, that is not changed further. So furniture here is 6200. I just mentioned 6200 here. You can easily get from here question 6200. There's also mentioned depreciation on furniture here. So depreciation means the cost which we are expenses or something like that. So that is less. That should be less from original amount. So original amount is 6200. Less depreciation gives you 500. So 5700 is a total amount of furniture. Same goes to next column, that is car. We have purchased the car 15,000 rupees, but we have the depreciation. Some expenses are there. So yeah, some we got some expenses. So we less that 3,000 amount, which is depreciation on car. So 15,000 minus 3,000 gives the final figure 12,000. That is the car cost. So we calculate this total assets. How you calculate this total assets? 96,800 plus 5,700 plus 12,000. Just calculate from your end also. You will get this final figure, that is 1 lakh 14,500. So total asset will be this plus this plus this. That is 11 lakh 4,500. So assets column we have finished. So we have the total 11 lakh 4,500. Next, we move to current liabilities as per the question. What are the current liabilities? We have the bills payable first, that is 20,000, which is mentioned in question also. Bills payable are there here. Bills payable. Next is rent outstanding. Some rent is also pending. That is 1,200. So I just mentioned rent outstanding 1,200 here. Next is creditor. Some old amount is also mentioned. Creditors are there. So creditors are those who have to give. We have to give the money to them. So it is a long term. It can be fixed creditor. It can be a current creditor. But as we mentioned, current liabilities. So it will come definitely come in our current liabilities column. That is creditors. We have to pay this amount within the one period of time. That is 42,750. So I just mentioned 42,750. So here I just total current liabilities column 20,000 plus 1,200 plus 42,750. I got this amount, that is 63,950. You can calculate your own end also. I just mentioned total here for my sake. Next I move to heading, that is capital. Capital is also mentioned in our question also, I think. So here we have the capital investment, which is done by the owners, as I mentioned in earlier class also. Capital, I just mentioned 50,000. Then I add the net profit into it, 8,050. That is add net profit 8,050 and less drawings as per the formula. Drawings are those things which has to be less. It is not. It is had been lended by someone. It can be lended by shareholders. It can be lended to anyone. So it will be always give the owners less figures. So I just mentioned in 7,500 here. So 50,000 capital amount, add net profit 8,050, less drawing 7,500. So if we calculate this 50,000 plus 8,050, whatever the amount comes you, less 7,500 gives you the 50,550 amount. So we have the capital amount will be a 50,550. Now we have to calculate the liabilities plus capital, that is liabilities plus capital is 63,950 is our liability and 50,550 is our capital. So it automatically comes to 1,14,500. That is our liability total. Same we have the total is our assets column 1,14,500. So in this way our balance sheet gets the compare and we prepare the balance sheet accordingly. So in this way our balance sheet match total assets and total liabilities column. I hope you got clear. I will give you both the questions in your Google Classroom next onwards. Finally stay on. Thank you.